Use the builder to add search terms to the query box, or type your search directly into the query box. Search one concept at a time. For example, I will enter the search term glycemic, then click on the Add button to add this to the query box. The query box shows the search that will run in PubMed. To add another search term, perhaps from a different field, for example, an author, select the author field from the menu. Enter the last name of the author, followed by a space and the author's initials, like this. Use the truncation symbol, which is usually an asterisk, to search for variations in the name. Notice the Add button has changed to AND. This is because PubMed assumes you want to combine your search terms using the AND Boolean operator. This is the default option. Use the drop-down arrow to combine the search terms in the way that you want. I'll select AND. The search terms appear in the query box below. This approach enables you to combine search terms from different fields to build the search you want, hence PubMed Search Builder. Click on the Search button to view your results.